Are you unsure about how to log out of your account on the popular Threads app? In this short tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the logout option and guide you through each step, making it super easy for anyone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these lines at the top right corner of the screen. And now, at the bottom, you will see the logout option. So go ahead and tap logout. And then tap logout one more time to confirm your action. And now I've successfully logged out of my Threads account, and if I want to, I can quickly log back in using my Instagram account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.